Welcome to Car Showcase, here introducing a 2025 Ford Mustang review with all its features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Ford Mustang is a sleek and powerful sports car built on a robust platform, featuring a lightweight yet strong structure made of high-strength steel and advanced materials like aluminum and magnesium. Its aerodynamic design enhances stability and fuel efficiency. The Mustang offers two powertrain options: a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine producing 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, and a 5.0-liter V8 engine generating 450 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Both variants come with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, the Mustang accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in 5.1 seconds EcoBoost or 4.3 seconds V8. Its fuel economy ranges from 21 to 32 mpg combined, depending on the trim and powertrain. The interior features premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster. The dashboard boasts a modern design with a 13.2-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system. Safety features abound, including Ford's Copilot 360 suite with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Other features include a rear-view camera, 7 airbags, and a reinforced body structure. The exterior surface is sleek and aggressive, with LED headlights, taillights, and a bold front grille. The Mustang rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, 19-inch optional, with high-performance tires. Price starts at around $27,000 for the base EcoBoost trim, ascending to $45,000 for the top-tier Shelby GT 500. Intermediate trims include the GT, Premium, and Mach 1. Overall, the 2025 Ford Mustang is a potent and feature-packed sports car that delivers exceptional performance, style, and value. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.